Playing tambola right now. Guys, she's Kriti and she looks like Kareena Kapoor now. Oh my god, please guys, comment down below if you agree. And she has all those looks and that guy, Puri Kareena Kapoor, ye Puri Kareena Kapoor.
Say yes. A loud yes.
Yes!
25.
मैम क्या चल रहा है?
आप जाके टॉप हो गया।
Very good, sir.
मैम क्या सीन चल रहा है?
72, 72. We played chaat papdi. And we also had we also played tambola. जिसमें मैं जीती हूँ. So this is the food court area where we have the food stalls and they're on full swing. And look at this. This is going to be our photo booth. And this is a बहुत बड़ा चश्मा. What did you say? What is this? चलो बेटा काम करो. छोटू टेबल लगाओ, चेयर लगाओ. Guys, good morning. I just woke up and today is the day when we have the Diwali MELA and I'm hoping that I vlog the most today. So yesterday also I came so late from college after the decor and then I went to buy myself a new phone. My older one ditched me, so I got a new one and I'm very happy about it. What I'm not happy about is that I have to wake up so early, get ready, get dressed and go to college. But I know that I'm going to really enjoy today, so I'm looking forward to the day. So looking forward to the day. Time to end this vlog. I am super tired right now, as you guys can probably figure out. After the Diwali celebrations in my college, me and my friends with some faculty members went out to eat something. I was super hungry, so I focused only on eating. After that, I went directly to a Diwali party with my family friends. So I was already decked up, so I just quickly directly reached that venue. There I just danced my heart out. If you guys can notice, I was literally shouting and I was just singing those songs really loud. My throat is almost gone. So yeah, I enjoyed. I really, this day I wanted it to end really nicely. I haven't vlogged there, but maybe if I'll find some clips, I'll put it in this vlog. So yeah, that is where I end the vlog. I try to show you celebrations in my college. So yeah, it was just a fun random vlog, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want to see more of such random daily vlogs, please let me know. I really enjoy doing it and I can do more of it. So yeah, I'm signing off. I'm really tired. I'm just gonna change and sleep. Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please hit like if you like this vlog and share it with your friends, and comment down your views and subscribe to my channel. I love you guys.
So yeah. Like, follow, share.